There is a staggering breadth and depth of functionality available in open source libraries and tools. Modern software projects are, by weight, mostly dependencies. But with dependencies come dependency problems. When you have hundreds of repositories, each with hundreds or even thousands of dependencies, it can be a major headache to even identify where a problematic dependency is in use. So say I have a problem with serialization, and I suspect Jackson module version misalignment is the culprit. I don't know which repositories the misalignment may be coming from, exactly which of a dozen Jackson modules may be misaligned, or even necessarily which Jackson modules are in use. Fortunately, the Dependency Insight recipe has me covered for both Maven and Gradle builds. I fill in the Jackson group ID and artifact IDs using star as a wildcard. The recipe results show me exactly which repositories bring in dependencies matching my query, and they list the individual matching dependencies found in each build file. But no chance am I manually going to collect and collate results from 50 repositories just to find the misaligned ones I'm looking for. Fortunately, I don't have to, as Dependency Insight comes with a Jupyter Notebook-powered visualization which lets me see version misalignment at a glance. This is a violin chart where the gray shadows show us immediately the relative quantities represented by each circular data point. So I can see that the versions are substantially aligned around 2.17.2, although a few places have snuck ahead to 2.18.0, and a few other places linger on the older and possibly problematic 2.15.2. Now, the visualization doesn't show me the full comprehensive data backing up each mark on the chart, but I can download the data table, which does. Since the visualization already showed me what to look for, I don't even need to do any particular data analysis wizardry to find the culprit. I already know that I want to find 2.15.2. And boom, I see exactly which repository and exactly which project is the one bringing in the old Jackson version. And I can go to just that project and make a change, conducting impact analysis in only minutes. As an industry, we are more dependent on dependencies than ever, but with modern tooling we can comprehend despite the complexity.